Dog is a new play by playwright Francesca Pazniokas and directed by Morgan Lee. When Alice needs a place to crash after dropping out of college, her sister Penny welcomes her with open arms. There's just one catch: Penny's dog, Elmo, who may not be a dog at all. Dog is an experimental new play about cycles of abuse within families and in larger systems. It discusses the passive violence and complicity that keeps abusers in power and the generation of new abusers. The structure of the play is a faulty mirror, just like the title itself. See Dog at the Drayton Arms, September 28th through October 2nd, 2021.